I'll teach you how to create viral video hooks with Nano Banana and Google's VO3. Just like this. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing we want to do is determine where our transitions are going to be. Here's the timeline I'm working with. I'll teach you how to create viral video hooks with So now what we want to do, we're going to start off with this frame here. We want to go to the very last frame and export current frame as still. So I think what we'll do here is turn us into an alien first. Turn me into an alien with reddish orange skin. That looks like molten lava with bug eyes and 2 antennas. And, you know, it's not going to be a one prompt and go. Prompt here as many times as you need to for each transition. And we'll move forward with this video as soon as I get a prompt that I like. It's kind of cool. I kind of like it. You know what? I'm shocked we got this so quickly. So we're going to download this frame. Now what we're going to do here is we want to frame to video, and we want this to be VO3. We're going to do fast for the sake of this example so I don't blow through credits. I always do just one output, and let's add a frame upload. Now let's make sure I get the words right here. Viral video hooks. Okay. Crop and save. Now I'm going to ask it to say this, but I'm going to use my voice and then we'll alter it as needed. You know what? Maybe we'll use the alien voice. Let's see how quickly it can do this. Let's see if it nails it. One thing I've noticed is if I don't give it enough verbiage to say, it might space it out and be like viral video hooks. I want to speed all of that up. Now, in the meantime, one thing I want to do is grab frames to video. We're going to we need to upload that original frame. Crop and save. I really liked my original alien that I did. I might actually use it. I actually really do like that one more. Yeah, let's go here. Have me transform from human to alien. Use flames and SFX. Oh, you know what? We might have to use VO2 for this. Yeah, we have to switch to VO2. And we're going to have me transformed from human to alien, use flames and SFX. Now, I don't think it's going to do any audio. Oh, audio generation failed. Interesting. Okay. Whatever. I want to use my other alien anyway, so let's go ahead and pull this. Oh, no, I meant to say in an alien voice. Let's see. Maybe that's enough. All right, let's see how it does this transform here. Okay, not the smoothest. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time. So I'm gonna pull that last frame grab this frame, transform this human into the alien by first turning skin reddish, orange, and lines bursting in flames. Okay. We're going to try that there. Now let's go check this out. Wow. Oh, did I not? I think that's because I didn't select VO3 fast. Now, I mean, it nailed it with the with that. Interesting. Okay, so VO3 fast. Yeah, that's why it was VO2. Lesson learned. And you want to rinse and repeat this process until you're happy with the transformation as well as the verbiage. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use this because this looks really good. And we will splice in our audio instead. So let's download this. Okay, you know what? We might make that work. Let's grab that, upscale that. Let's put it on the timeline and see how it looks. To pull in our talking alien. With Nano Banana and viral video. Viral video hooks. And then what we want to do from here, right now that we have this frame on, make this a little larger. Viral video hooks. Viral video hooks. Viral video hooks. Those are great. Viral video hooks. Love that. Viral video hooks. Wow. Viral video hooks. Viral video hooks. Good stuff. Viral video hooks. Okay. Viral video. Viral. Viral video hooks. Create viral. I'll teach you how to create viral video hooks. Viral video hooks. I'll teach you how to create viral video hooks. All right, now we will grab this, grab a video transition, and we want a smooth cut. Viral. Smooth cut. Viral video hooks. Create viral video hook. Create viral video hook. It's almost there. I think what we want to do is make this one a little bit bigger. Viral video hooks with Nano Banana. All right. Now for the next frame, what we want to do is take the same approach. Since we're going to go from character to character, what we have to do is we want to export this current frame, alien still. And we do want to pull this first frame, and we want to export this. Current frame is still, And I'm gonna do a banana suit. Human, okay. Now we want to go. I'll teach you how to create viral video hooks with Nano Banana and Google's VO3. Just like this. Let's get into it. This isn't perfect, but I think it's good enough for today's demonstration. This wasn't about perfection. This was about experimentation and showing you the process. So hope you found some value in today's video. I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video about a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.